हेलो एवरीबॉडी, माय नेम इज़ राहुल एंड इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कि खुद के बनाए हुए मॉड्यूल्स या फिर मॉड्यूल्स डाउनलोडेड फ्रॉम थर्ड पार्टी वेबसाइट्स को हम कैसे मेटास्प्लॉइट में इंपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. सो रिसेंटली आई वाज ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व अ हैक द बॉक्स मशीन and I was quite curious on how can I do it. So let me show it to you. So here it is. As you can see, I have a metasploit achat bof.rb script. Let me show it to you. Here you will see that this is a Metasploit script that's made in Ruby. And if I'll just msfconsole -q, and I'll try to do is I'll try to search for this to show you that what it looks like before importing and what it looks like after importing. So let's wait for a while, and here we go. Let's search for it. As you can see, it says no results from search. Okay, cool. So what do we need to do? So first of all, I'll need to make sure that I am in my home directory. Okay, msf4. As you can see, I have a .msf4 directory. Now what I need to do is I need to go to that directory, need to go to the modules directory, and here you will see that it is generally empty. Now what I need to do is I need to make an exploits directory. As you can see, I've already tried and tested it. Now what I will do is I will copy that script here. Once done, all my work has already been done. So what I need to do is I will exit out of my MSF console and I will again open it up so that everything is refreshed. Hopefully it works. Okay, a small mistake. I need to move this to the exploits directory. So let's move Metasploit the script to the exploits directory. So now if I ls into exploits, you will see that this exists. So let's try to search for this. Cool. The reason was that हमने time लेते वो exploits के अंदर नहीं डाला. So I will try to do it again. And now let me search for it. And as you can see, I have imported my own script into Metasploit. I can use it. As you can see, here is the configuration that I need to set up, and it works just like any other Metasploit script. So thank you guys. I hope this was of some use to you, and you might use it somewhere. I don't know where, but if you want to use Metasploit for your own use cases and the script does not exist, maybe you can try figuring things out and importing it here.